My name is Deena El-Mahdy. I'm an architect and assistant professor based in Cairo in Egypt. And I was lucky to join the 3DPA program. The program actually merged between two contrasting, the humbleness of the clay as an eco-friendly material and the 3D printing technique as a very high-tech. That's why I was eager to feed my hunger and see how the feasibility of both techniques are going together to get what we will see at the end. I have been working in vernacular architecture projects trying to explore different materials related to sustainability, a lot of things, and even to merge the high-tech technology with producing something related to architecture. That's why I keep questioning myself why the architecture of tomorrow will use the material of yesterday. And this takes us back to one of Hassan Fathi's quotes where he mentioned that we need to build from what beneath our feet. And this highlights actually about how the architects need to respect the material in the context, even from whatever technology they have. I want to share the knowledge and convince the people and the new generation with the power of the clay as a material. And it's not old-fashioned anyway. And this also put us on how computational tools assist us to push the boundary of the clay as a material. I hopefully wish that I can bridge the gap between the academia and the industry, and this put us on the availability or one of the greatest game changer, which is the entrepreneur, that we need to invest really to convince the construction sectors to get or start working with this technique. And lastly, I also wish that I can share in writing or preparing the Egyptian building code that is related to the 3D printing to be authorized in the construction. What I liked really about the program that we went through the whole phases, starting from the research, from moving to the material testing, the construction, fabrication, design, and even the monitoring and assessment of the building after we just construct. So it's like being able to construct a one-to-one scale with your hand and by yourself. And this really doesn't happen every day. Also, one of the valuable digital skills that we gained, that I learned the value of the dot or the point and how a very small things can affect a big scale. And this is also related to how the butterfly effect happens. So one small thing can have a big impact on this. For me, joining this program was really a big chance where we dealt with the clay as a material on the side. So this program can be in the future a very promising thing to allow us to bring this technology to a very big scale as a mass customization in the housing.